Assigning tags to objects. Normally, a graphical screen object can be static or dynamic type. During runtime, the dynamic object has the task of representing or controlling project value tags. For a graphical object to be dynamic, it must have one or more tags associated to the dynamic animations or control functions. Each graphical element can be associated with a reference tag. This tag will be referred to by each associated functionality unless another tag has been defined for a specific object functionality. A tag can be assigned to an object by simply dragging it from the list of objects using the drag-and-drop technique. In order to do this, proceed as follows. Open the address space of the I/O data server module in the workspace and display the tag list located in the tree structure. Select the tag desired from the list and drag it slowly within the screen and drop it to the desired graphical object. This object will automatically be selected to receive the tag whose properties can be set. The tag browser window can also be used for selecting a tag to associate it onto an object. The tag browser window can be accessed through the object's tooltip. To select a tag using the tab browser window, proceed as follows. Select the object desired and click on a small button to activate the object menu. Select the item tag from the command tooltips to access the tag browser window. The tag browser window can also be opened by right-clicking the object to the Open Textual menu and by clicking the Data Context Editor item. Select the tag desired from the tag browser window to confirm with an OK to associate the tag to the object. It is also possible to select the OPC UA browser tab from the tag browser window. Though, to access the list of OPC UA servers available, the window can be used for selecting the tag desired from confirming an OK to assign to the object. This operation will only work for the project server when it's launched beforehand.